Is your reality feeling kind of shook? We all know the feeling of taking the first tentative steps into the new opportunity, job, or relationship. And just when you're about to exhale and relax into this fresh situation, it all begins to shake, rattle, and roll into a pile of rubble before your very eyes. There's nothing more disappointing, disheartening, or dispiriting than to momentarily get what you've been dreaming about, only to have it go to total shit. Enter the Emperor. The Emperor provides us with a firm foundation that we can actually build upon. He gives us the physical form and structure to bring the abstractions of our dreams and ambitions into the reality we are endeavoring to establish. Without the sturdy construction of the Emperor, we always gonna be on shaky ground. So take the example of the Emperor, put your best foot forward, and step onto the reliable foundation of your new reality. OTEP, y'all.